And welcome everybody to Monday evening. This is Don, Insight Photos. Isn't this a horrible view, huh? Is that gorgeous? Off there in the distance, you're gonna see the Wild Animal Park is just across that canyon and then those hills right over there. So here high on a hill in Escondido, this is a gorgeous single-story home with 360-degree views. We're gonna take here, it looks like a lodge, doesn't it? Is that gorgeous? And that's the casita there, beautiful inside with those spectacular views in it. Swimming pool, and here's the single story all the way down. So in this room right here, that is the living room with that peaked ceiling inside with these gorgeous views. So spectacular from every room in the house. As you can see, we've been here today doing, we did home photos. We're here now doing the twilight photos. And we did video walkthrough and a couple of different kinds of aerials. We did aerial photos to really show off the location of this home. And then we did the Mavic drone, which was then did the 360s and just capturing the neighborhood. And then we got out what we call the Speedster. The Speedster is one of those little mini drones that you fly with the Oculus glasses. Those are called first person view. So it's like the drone pilot is like being inside that little mini drone, seeing everything. And we flew up this very beautiful, somewhat curvy driveway up the hill, gorgeous, and then right up to the front door and flying across the swimming pool and all of that. So if you're looking for a single story with 360-degree views, keep an eye out, because in the next couple of days this home will be on the market and we will be posting our property virtual tour to our Facebook page, so you'll be able to see it there. I hope you enjoy this view. It would be just nice to be sitting here having a glass of wine, watching this, or the sunrise with your coffee on a croissant. And this is a home for somebody special. So thank you for watching Insight Photos Sneak Peek Live here on a Monday evening.